Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to my 2022 vision board video. I'm so excited to share my vision board with you all this year. Last year, I did my very first vision board, which I am super proud of. Be on the lookout for my vision board review to kind of see how my year turned out doing my first ever vision board. So today, I'm sharing my 2022 vision board with you all, so let's get right into it. It's right back here. Here is my 2022 vision board, done different again. So this is not your average vision board. I've never seen anything remotely close to this. This is the first time I'm doing this. I came up with this idea, I saw this in the store, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to use this for my vision board of 2022. And this is what I did. So to start off, I have 2022 written up here. Then I chose a quote for the year, a theme word for the year, and some affirmations to align with my theme word and just like the whole vibe of 2022, right? So my theme word of the year is abundance. So my theme word for 2021 was patience. This year's abundance. I did learn patience deep to the core, what it means to be patient and to just, I guess, feel like you are enough without the hustle and the bustle. So this year, my word is abundance. And aligning with that, I chose a quote from T.F. Hodge that says, making a dream into reality begins with what you have and not with what you were waiting on. And I actually included, which is also going to be dropping soon in my 2022 bullet journal setup, another quote that says, enough is abundance to the wise. And I'm like, ooh, okay, that is so true, right? So that's my theme word. This is my quote for the whole year, kind of like vibing in. And something else that I did was like a whole list of affirmations to align with it. So some of the things that are on here are, I'm in flow with the higher rhythms of life. I am ever evolving. I am abundance. It is now safe to be happy and filled with joy. Something like, I live in a beautiful home happily with my kids and husband. And so, moving on to the picture part of my vision board, I included a lot of pictures that have to do with wholesomeness, abundance, peace, equanimity, like just the flow of life. And more so than ever, I'm really focusing on connection. And to me, that aligns with abundance a lot. So, connection to my kids, my husband. That's really like the core of the abundance that I'm talking about. So things that go in hand with like really making my home the most wholesome, abundant place that I can make it. Whether that be us moving into a new space, a bigger space, a smaller space, like I don't know, but just really focusing on those things, on my environment that I spend most of my time in. So that's really important to me, and connection, not only to my kids and my husband, but to family in general, and just to people who are on my level and like minded. That's really like the core of 2022. And so I also have like a couple of pictures on here with like peacefulness, equanimity, love. I got this butterfly up here really because I had it on my 2021 vision board. Actually, the transition from a caterpillar cocoon into a butterfly, which was because I was in a transitioning phase. I can't even talk. Transitioning phase in 2021, and so this year I just wanted to include that butterfly because I feel like I've actually like, stepped into myself. You know what I'm saying? And so now I just want to step into that abundance and just um, every day of this year, just know that, you know, everything that I do reflects the abundance that I wish to have. And so that I always carry it with me, and I know that with every step, there is abundance. Like I don't have to go seeking it. It's just a beautiful reminder and kind of like a way of practicing gratitude because everything that I have makes me abundant. So yeah, that's just how I want to include those things. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. So I have some pictures on here of a home, a house, because I kind of do envision myself with my kids and my husband to have a home this year. Whether we buy or we rent, it doesn't really matter. But just to have a space, I'm not even opposed to like not move. Like I'm open to moving, and I'm also open to staying here and creating this space the way I would really love to have it. You know what I'm saying? So there's that. That's for my vision board. And then I have some extra space down here, which is just for things that I need to pin, or maybe even if I'm having like a time, a struggle, a hump to get over, that I can just put a picture of myself or a picture of something that reminds me that I am enough, and that everything is going to be okay. Like a friendly reminder or anything, like maybe important milestones. Like I'll just this space will get filled, okay? And if it's more pictures to support the whole vision of 2022, I'm absolutely in love with my vision board because I can rearrange these. I can also reuse these if I can ever get the marker off, which is not a permanent marker, but I don't know, so we'll see. Yeah, that's my vision board. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for kicking it with me. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.